I am over at the cutting mat getting ready to cut my fabric. I want to make a pillow cover that coordinates with this one but isn't exactly the same. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have just one white square in the center and then have these four be blue and the corners all be purple. So to do that, I'm gonna need, hopefully, I'm gonna need 4 of each of the blue and the purple and 1 of the white. So I've got these laid out. I'm still gonna cut them at 5.5-inch squares. So I use the markings on the mat to cut. So I'm going to come over, I'm going to cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then each of the dotted lines is at 1/4 inch. So I'm gonna lay my ruler down at 5.5. And since we are not using rotary cutters, I'm going to grab a colored pencil. I grabbed a brown one so I could see it on all my fabrics. And I'm just going to draw a line at 5.5 inches, so I know that that's where I need to cut. So that's my first one. So then I'm going to count over, so I'm at 1/2 inch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And draw another line. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5. And that's half, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When I'm drawing these lines, I'm making sure that I have some pressure down on the ruler with my left hand. That way it doesn't slide as I draw my line. If you are left-handed, you can do that same thing. You would just count from the other side of the board. So if I start on that 2-inch line and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5, lay my ruler down, put my right hand on the ruler and draw my line with my left hand. Okay, so those are ready to cut. So I'm going to grab my sewing shears and I'm just going to carefully cut along the line I just drew. All the way across. Like that, I'm gonna set these aside. I'll finish cutting those in a second. So I need 1 white square to do the pattern I want to do. Draw my line, and then I'd be ready to cut that, but again, I will set that aside. We are ready to cut our back pieces. So I've got my bigger piece of fabric here. I need to cut these to be 24 by 15.5. So right now, this should be 22 inches across and by, okay, so I'm gonna have to open this up. I'm gonna hold it this way quick to make it fit on here. white. I need that to be. Hold on. But I need it. This piece of fabric is not gonna be big enough. Hold on.